Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mother Baby Care. Today's video is all about having salmon during pregnancy. So let's start today's video. Salmon is one of the most nutritious, versatile and delicious foods that is loaded with a variety of nutrients. It is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, protein and B vitamins. Salmon is quite low in mercury and contain an ample amount of omega-3 fatty acids that contributes to baby's neurological and visual development. Health benefits of eating salmon during pregnancy. Some of the amazing health benefits provided by salmon during pregnancy are fetal neurodevelopment. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are crucial for fetal neurodevelopment. They help to reduce inflammation, lowers blood pressure, improves eyesight, promote good cardiovascular health, and also decrease risk factors for diseases. Healthy pregnancy. Salmon is a good source of B vitamins which are required for a healthy pregnancy. All these vitamins plays a key role in a healthy pregnancy. Prevent leg cramping. Salmon has a high content of potassium. Potassium helps to lower your blood pressure, thereby prevent excess fluid retention. The regular intake of potassium-rich foods during pregnancy is essential to prevent leg cramping. Prevent postpartum depression. The high DHA content present in salmon help to prevent postpartum depression. Healthy heart. Salmon contains an ample amount of omega-3 fatty acids. They lower your chances of developing cardiovascular diseases including heart attack and stroke. Prevent premature delivery. Salmon is a rich source of docosahexaenoic acid DHA, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. This fatty acid helps to boost your baby's neurological and visual development. Some studies suggest that getting enough DHA during pregnancy helps to avoid preterm labor, ensures a healthy birth weight, and even prevent postpartum depression. Fight inflammation. Salmon contains astaxanthin, which is an antioxidant that gives it red pigment. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. This antioxidant reduces the oxidation of LDL, the bad cholesterol, and increases the level of HDL, the good cholesterol, thereby lowers the risk of heart diseases. Healthy pregnancy. Salmon is an excellent source of protein which plays a key role in a healthy pregnancy. This fish is very low in saturated fat and high in protein. Taking a protein-rich diet is essential to maintain maternal health and to develop a healthy fetus. Healthy thyroid function. Salmon contains selenium, which is considered a trace mineral, means your body needs a small amount of it, but these low levels of selenium provide you powerful health benefits during pregnancy. This mineral helps to regulate hormones produced by your thyroid. Selenium helps to maintain healthy thyroid function. Healthy fetus. Salmon is fully loaded with essential vitamins such as vitamin A, B, D, and minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, selenium, and calcium. All these vital vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants play a major role in the growth and development of a healthy fetus. Improve brain function. Salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, along with selenium and choline. All of these nutrients contribute to improving brain function, cognition, and neurological health. Improve bone health. Salmon contains an ample amount of vitamin D and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Both of these nutrients help to improve bone health and reduces the risk of developing osteoporosis, a condition in which your bones become weak and brittle. Side effects of eating salmon during pregnancy. Salmon is good to eat while pregnant as it is a great source of vital nutrients. But remember that it is not healthy to eat it daily during pregnancy as it can contain moderate levels of mercury and pollutants, harmful to the fetus. Overconsumption of salmon can increase mercury levels in your system, which can be harmful to the developing fetus. Inhibit fetal development. Salmon may contain PCB, polychlorinated biphenyls, which are highly toxic and can pose serious health risks to fetus and can inhibit fetal development. These chemicals are harmful to the expectant mother as well. So don't consume salmon in excess amount. Precautions to be taken while eating salmon during pregnancy. Take these precautions while eating salmon during pregnancy. Always buy salmon from a trusted source. If you are planning to eat eat it at a restaurant, make sure to go to a reputable one. Make sure salmon is well cooked, as undercooked or raw salmon may cause a bacterial infection. Avoid eating sushi or sashimi as it contains raw seafood which can put you at a risk for foodborne illness or bacterial infection. Remove the skin of the salmon, then make sure it is well cooked. Avoid eating salmon if you have an allergic reaction to it. Can I eat salmon during pregnancy? Yes, you can eat salmon while pregnant as it is highly nutritious and provides numerous benefits to both the expectant mother and her baby. Can a pregnant woman eat smoked salmon? Hot smoked salmon is safe to eat in pregnancy, but make sure that it is heated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Is it safe to eat canned salmon during pregnancy? Yes. Canned salmon is considered safe to eat in pregnancy. Is cold smoked salmon safe to consume during pregnancy? Cold smoked salmon is heated at a low temperature and it is not fully cooked. So it's better to avoid it during pregnancy, as eating such undercooked or raw fish can cause viral and bacterial infections. Salmon is good to consume while pregnant, but in moderation. Overconsumption of this fish can cause adverse effects on your health. So always remember to eat it in limited quantities. Consult your doctor before adding salmon to your pregnancy diet. Hope this article helped you. Best wishes on your pregnancy. Have a happy and safe pregnancy. To know more on this topic, click on the link given in the video's description box. Visit our website www.motherbabycare.in and also like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/motherbabycare.in. If you like this video, share it and also subscribe our channel Mother Baby Care. Thanks for watching this video.